All right, so here it is, the new one. This is the intro video that I will stitch together with the in motion video. Anyways, just got this delivered today. My Canam Defender 6x6. I got this one because it had the biggest bed. It had a tip bed, a power tip bed, 6 wheels, so I can't really get it stuck anywhere on the ranch, which that was important for me. This is my first go around with any of this stuff. Remember, I'm a city boy. I don't know what I'm doing out here, but I want to make sure I give myself the best chance for success. Got a winch on it, got the windshield on it, got the roof on it. I did not get it with an enclosed cab, AC, stereo, anything like that. There's things I'm probably going to add to it. I've already noticed I really need a rear view mirror. But the dump bed was really, really important for me. I've already grabbed a load of firewood and pulled it around to where it needs to be. It worked perfectly. Tip it up, drive out, and it all drops out. So got my hitch for when I get my other pieces added to the farm, to the ranch. I'm going to get a log splitter and a chipper in time. So this is it. This is what I've been waiting, I think, 4 months for, but it finally came in today. Just took delivery of my first really, really cool toy. I bought a pickup truck, but this thing's cool as shit. This is my first UTV, side-by-side. It's a 6-wheeler, tip dump bed, power dump bed, got the winch. The only thing I really didn't get was the HVAC or the stereo. I don't think I need that shit, but if I do, I'll add it later. But the next step in our journey on the ranch, I've got piles and piles and piles of wood, as you can see, all over this property that I need to process and get moved around. And the pickup truck, it's not always easy. It's hard to get the pickup truck in a lot of the spaces that I need to get this stuff into. But this will make my job a whole hell of a lot easier because, again, I have got a whole lot of crap I've got to be working on and fixing. So day one, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it.